Hi, this is Rubal from Tech Review. Today I am here to discuss the new generation of Asus VivoBook X513EP. VivoBook Ultra 15 is about self-expression, and is available in Bespoke Black, Idealistic Dreamy White, and in-your-face Cobalt Blue. Pick the color that expresses who you are. This laptop comes with Intel 11th generation Core i7 processor, 8GB of RAM, 512GB NVMe SSD storage, and 2GB dedicated NVIDIA graphics card. This is only 1.7 kilograms. And its dimension, 359 by 235 by 19.9 millimeters. Ultrabook versatile, elegant, white, thin and light. The Asus VivoBook X513EP, with 15-inch IPS Full HD anti-glare screen, is powerful in everyday use. Thanks to its good amount of 8GB RAM, and its Intel Tiger Lake quad-core i7-1165G7 processor, with Iris Xe graphics and NVIDIA GeForce MX330 2GB GDDR5 Graphics solution, to run games that are not too greedy. Equipped with a backlit chiclet keyboard, it also benefits from a Wi-Fi AX and USB 3.1 Type-C connection. It has an elegant and discreet look with its Cobalt Blue chassis. This Ultrabook has good connectivity made up of Wi-Fi AX modules. It is more recent and efficient than Wi-Fi AC and Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless remote connections and communications. A practical HDMI video output for the easy connection to a TV. An audio port. A USB 3.1 Type-C but also 3 USBs, all compatible, with USB 2.0 and USB 3.0, USB 3.0 guaranteeing transfers up to 10 times faster than USB 2.0. If you connect a USB 3.0 device, the chiclet keyboard takes advantage of a very practical backlighting system, for the keys to distinguish them correctly, in the event of limited ambient light. Its center key is outlined in yellow. The keys on the keyboard are soft enough, not too hard or soft, and there is enough distance between each key, that can increase your typing speed, and give you a different kind of pleasure to work with. And with the backlight on the keyboard, you can type very well in low light or in the dark. It has a wide multi-testing truck bed which is very fantastic, especially its sensitivity. The screen adopts expected specifications with regard to the positioning of this PC, with its precise Full HD definition, and its 16:9 format lending itself well to the display of high-definition content. Due to its anti-reflective treatment, the screen is more readable than a shiny panel, in a bright environment, outdoors. Thanks to its IPS technology, the screen also has significant vertical and horizontal viewing angles. However, it is a pity that its colorimetry is average, below that of more high-end IPS panels. The Asus VivoBook X513EP is a 15-inch, high-definition laptop designed for everyday general-purpose use. In fact, it delivers good overall performance, capable of satisfying many users, as it relies on a good amount of 8GB, above average RAM, which is very appreciable in multitasking, and seeing it coming. But also an Intel Tiger Lake low-power quad-core i7-1165G7 processor. The latter houses the Intel Iris Xe solution, that we tested. Just like a modest graphics card, it allows you to watch photos and videos, but also to play titles that do not require too much graphics resources. It is however useful to keep in mind that to often carry out heavy work in processor or graphics resources, it is better to opt for a PC based on a non-low consumption processor or an adequate dedicated graphics card. That being said, many will appreciate the responsiveness provided by the SSD, far superior to that provided by a hard drive. Thanks to the SSD, we take advantage of much faster start, stops and launches of applications than with a simple hard drive. An SSD is indeed much faster than a hard drive, but also less energy, more resistant to shocks and silent. Here we are dealing with a 512GB SSD, a capacity in phase with the standard of hard disks. And if you need more, you can rely on an external storage unit like a USB 3.0 device for fast transfers. As for autonomy while waiting for more concrete tests, bet on about 6 hours of battery operation in light use. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.